Is anything wrong? Is anything fine? Hi, I'm sorry. This is my first time. Hi, I'm sorry. My apologies. I, I am on. So, okay. My apologies for this. I didn't know. I thought it was on. Anyhow, my apologies. So, I am going to now do 4 questions that we received. So, the first one. And I'm sorry about that. This is my first time I do a live ever in my entire life. So my apologies. So the first question that we received is anything to bear in mind when leaving the US at the end of the current visa. So this is a person who is here in the US, they are on a visa and they're going back home. So they are asking whether there is anything they should know, keep in mind before going back home. So I would say that the number one thing is that you have a card that is called I-94. It has a date that date rules your authorized stay in the US. So look at the card, look at that date, and make sure that you go back home on that date or before that. Don't overstay. And also, I would say that if you have a petition that you filed while you were here, I would definitely say that you need to talk to your attorney before leaving. So, la primera pregunta que tenemos es de una persona que está que está, que está en los Estados Unidos y está en una visa y pregunta, ¿hay algo que yo debería saber antes de irme para mi casa? Entonces mi respuesta es que lo primero que hagan es que hay una tarjeta que se llama I-94 y esa tarjeta te dice una fecha donde estás autorizada a quedarte acá legalmente. Entonces mi consejo es que no pasen de esa fecha, que se vayan en esa fecha o después, o antes de esa fecha, nunca después. Y si obviamente pusieron una petición de inmigración, que por favor se fijen de hablar con su abogado antes de irse. So my second question is, can you get an employment authorization document while adjusting your status upon marrying a US citizen, even though previously undocumented? So basically, we have here a person who seems to be undocumented, who married a US citizen, and they want to adjust their status and to get an employment authorization card. So a person who qualifies for adjustment of status can also file for an employment authorization document at the same time. Now, if you enter without inspection, then you may need a waiver. The bar may apply. It depends if that qualifies on an unlawful entry. So in that case, if there is an unlawful entry, I would really suggest that you talk to an attorney because the rules are different and it may not qualify directly for adjustment of status. So I definitely, if there is an undocumented time, I really suggest that you talk to an attorney before you file for adjustment of status. En español lo voy a decir que esta es una... Yeah. Yeah. Hi, I'm so sorry. Hi, hi, how are you? I'm so sorry. I am having... So I'm going to keep answering the questions, and if there is any problems with this live, I will going to redo it again. I'm so sorry. My third question is, can you stay in the US after the US citizen sibling applies for sponsorship? So here we have a person who sibling is US citizen, apply for sponsorship, and they're already here in the US. So you can stay in the US if there is if you have a visa, you definitely can stay in the US. But if you, what happens is that these petitions, when a US citizen applies for their sibling, petitions their sibling takes a long time, takes more than 10 years. So in that case, it would be a matter of saying how you can stay here for 10 years, what kind of visa status. I would suggest you consult an attorney. Acá tenemos una persona que tiene un hermano, una hermana que le hizo una petición. El hermano es americano. Entonces, dicen, ¿puedo quedar acá en los Estados Unidos? Y mi respuesta es, sí, te puedes quedar acá en los Estados Unidos si estás en una visa. Estas peticiones toman como 10 años y en este caso tendrías que ver cómo te puedes quedar acá 10 años hasta que esa visa sea adjudicada. Y si estás aquí sin documentación, digo que tengas que ver a un abogado, lo sugiero. So, la última pregunta es, I am gay, I am from a Muslim country, my family is radical Islam, do I have the right to qualify asylum in America? My answer is yes, you may. The case is very specific and you need to prove victim of persecution or well-founded fear of persecution. And there are 5 grounds for asylum: race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion. So you need to prove that you either belong into one of these 5 groups or you either need to prove victim of persecution or well-founded fear of persecution. So, en español es, soy gay, soy de un país musulmano, mi familia es radical islam, ¿califico para asilo en América? Sí, puedes calificar. Asilo es muy caso específico y tienes que probar que sos una víctima de persecución o que tenés un miedo con buen fundamento a ser perseguido. Hay 5 grupos: raza, religión, nacionalidad, membresía en un grupo social o de opinión política, y tenés que probar que perteneciste en estos 5 grupos y también tenés miedo de persecución o que has sido perseguido. Bueno, esto ha sido todo por hoy. Thank you so much. This is all our questions. And well, if you have any questions, just please contact us. And we are here to help, and let us know, and we can have a consultation if you have any immigration questions. Muchas gracias por estar acá, y si tienen alguna pregunta de inmigración o necesitan una consulta, ustedes por favor nos llaman y nos dicen. Gracias, hasta luego.